Wish you could step into a comfortable cabin before you even open the door? On most Honda CR-V trims, everything except the base LX, remote engine start lets you do exactly that. Using it is simple. First, lock the doors. Then press and hold the circular arrow button on the key fob. After a few seconds, the parking lights flash, letting you know the engine is running. You can do this from inside your house, roughly up to 100 feet away. Once started, the CR-V takes over. The climate system automatically brings the cabin to a comfortable temperature, hovering around 72 degrees. On cold days, the rear window defroster comes on, and heated mirrors activate to clear fog or ice. If your CR-V is equipped with heated seats, they'll warm up automatically as well. On trims like the Sport Touring, the heated steering wheel kicks in too. One of those small touches you really appreciate on winter mornings. If you change your mind and don't plan on going anywhere, just press and hold the remote start button again to shut the engine off. Otherwise, the CR-V will run for up to 10 minutes and then turn itself off automatically. When you do get in, just press the brake and push the start button as usual. Until that happens, the vehicle stays locked down. The screens remain off, the shifter won't move, and the car won't drive. It's a simple but effective layer of security. Need more time? You can remote start it a second time for another 10-minute cycle. After 2 consecutive remote starts without driving, the system disables itself and won't start again until you physically start the CR-V from inside. It's a built-in safeguard against accidental commands, or curious hands playing with the key fob. A couple final things to know. The system won't activate if one of the key fobs is left inside the vehicle, and it also won't start if fuel levels are too low. Both are intentional safety measures. It also requires all doors, the tailgate, and the hood to be fully closed. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out the full Tips and Features guide next. Even if you've been driving your CR-V for a while, there's a good chance you'll learn something new.